Hello, and welcome to this new Pro.Radio tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to easily install WordPress using cPanel and Softaculous. First of all, log into your cPanel and search for WordPress in the search field. So, click on the Softaculous icon, and you'll be in the installation screen. Let's now click Install Now. At this point, there is a very important setting to choose, the protocol. If you want to have your website in HTTPS, which would be the best option, you should first make sure that also your streaming can be accessed via HTTPS. At this point, you can choose the domain. If building a staging work website, you can choose a subdomain, instead of the main website URL. In this example, we will be using testing.pro.radio. Then, you get to choose your site name and the site description. Please make sure you do not select the multi-site checkbox. Then, set a username and password. Make sure to choose a strong one, and never use admin as username. Compile your email address, making sure to spell it correctly. Then, you can set the language for your website. Finally, you may want to enable the Loginizer plugin to prevent hacking attempts to your website. We also suggest installing the classic editor. In the advanced settings, you can optionally set a custom database name, but is not required to change these parameters. Once done, wait for the process to complete. If any field was not correctly compiled, you will be able to go back and fix it. When it's completed, you can use the two links to view your website and access your admin screen. Now your WordPress installation is ready, and we can install the Pro.Radio WordPress theme. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.